Hi beautiful people, Madam Sophy here again to do another makeup product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Face Squad Highlighter Palette. If you'd like to see the final look I come up with using this Face Squad palette or this highlighter palette, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. And for those of you who have been subscribing and staying tuned with my content, thank you so much. This highlighter palette comes in two options. You have this Ignite option, and you also have another option available in this highlighter palette. I think I did reveal this highlighter palette when I was doing my, not my fall haul, but my August makeup haul. I think I did talk about this Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, but I really love this highlighter palette, so this is why I'm coming to do a review of this palette for you guys. This palette has 4 colors. Most of the colors in here are warm tone. They're more on the warm side. I'm just going to do a quick swatch of these colors for you guys. These colors don't have any names, by the way, and I did purchase this highlighter palette at Ulta Beauty. I believe I paid about, I think the original price for this highlighter palette is 15 bucks, 10 to 15 bucks. I think it retails for about $14.99. And I think I was able to use my $3.50 off using when I was purchasing this palette, because it is not considered a prestige item. So if you'd like to purchase this highlighter palette by the end of this review, you should be able to get about $3.50 off or 20% off, depending on what coupon code is available at the time. You should have no problem using these coupon codes on this product, because Makeup Revolution is not considered to be a prestige item. I don't believe you could use any of these coupons on the Morphe products at Ulta Beauty, but you should not have a problem using the $3.50 off. So these are the 4 colors right here, and as you can see, these colors are on the warm tone side. Also, if you'd like to see how I came up with this eyeshadow look, I will be having a video coming up pretty soon on this eyeshadow look, so please stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm going to jump right into business. I intend on using all of these colors on my face. As you guys know, I love layering my colors when it's time to highlight my face. So I will be layering these colors, and I intend on using all of these colors. Now, there's another option to this highlighter palette. I forgot the name of it. I will leave the name somewhere there, up here, wherever. But I'm going to leave the name of it somewhere around. But there's another option that you could purchase in this highlighter palette. But I picked this option because it has more warm tones. So that's why I chose this palette. Okay guys, so this is how this highlighter turned out to be on my face. I am really loving that gold glow. I'm really loving how I was able to combine these highlighters together to get a really good highlighted look. Let me do a quick close-up for you guys to see how these highlighters perform. I used all four of these colors. These colors really performed when it came to my highlighting. The really cool thing I love about this highlighter palette is the fact that you have four colors to work with, and this color right here really works well when you're trying to add some glow to your contouring. For example, I was able to combine this gold color on top and use this bronze color at the bottom to kind of give the illusion that I actually contoured my face when I did not. So this is really an easy way out. When it comes to contouring, you have these selections. The colors that are available in this highlighting palette works really well, works hand in hand with each other. You can't go wrong with it. So this is my final review using this Makeup Revolution Face Squad. This is a highlighter palette. I purchased it at Ulta Beauty for about $15. And definitely, like I said, if you want to use your coupon code, your $350 off or your 20% off one item code, you should not have a problem using these coupon codes on this product, simply because it's not considered to be a prestige item like you won't be able to with some other brands. So that is it for today. I'm hoping that this review was helpful to you. I do hope that you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. For those of you who have been commenting and subscribing, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, I want to thank you so much for being my ride and die. To my subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope that this review was helpful to you. To those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to the Madam Sophy channel. And for those of you who are thinking of subscribing, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, please, honey. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to look at my video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I hope that it was definitely helpful to you. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be Sophy, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye, honeys.